From a dream in a small hometown, you stood up strong, you never backed down. Every challenge made you rise, with fire burning in your eyes. Every step, every scar, every sacrifice built a legend through the darkest nights. The crowd still sings your name out loud, standing tall, forever proud. Cristiano Ronaldo, you're a shining light, a fearless warrior born to fight. Through every goal, through every victory, you wrote your own unforgettable history. CR7, forever you'll stand, a living legend across every land. Records broken, mountains climbed, you conquered every test of time. More than trophies, more than fame, the world will always know your name. Heroes may leave the field someday, but legends never fade away. Your passion lives in every dream, in every child, in every team. Cristiano Ronaldo, the world still believes in the strength that your story brings. Though time keeps moving endlessly, your legacy lives eternally. Forever we'll sing. Long live the legend, long live the king.